Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto E14 and let me share with you how to check the IMEI numbers of this device. So let's start with the quickest way with the usage of the secret code, and after that I'll show you another way through the settings. So let's open the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all of the codes, and then enter *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now let me show you another way through the settings. So let's tap on the settings. Now in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now let's scroll down to find both IMEI numbers. As you can see, they are hidden, so all we have to do is to tap on them to show the information. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.